Hi everyone, welcome back to another nail show, and today we are painting our nails and talking, and I love this. I mean, in every video of mine we are talking, but it seems to me that when we are doing nail shows, everyone is just around good energy, and trust me, I definitely need good vibes. I need good energy. I just really am so sick of negativity. It's so draining, it's so toxic, and trust me when I tell you that I will literally cut off anyone who brings negativity to my table, because I'm so sick of people who are constantly saying one thing and doing something totally different. And I just feel that power of positivity and believing in God is amazing, and I just really want to be about that life. I know what I want and know what I don't want, and there are certain things that I do allow in my life and certain things that I absolutely don't allow. And I really hope we all get to exchange the good and positive vibes, and I feel like we do that with my videos. I just really feel it. I feel it through your comments. I will feel it from likes and everything. I just can see it on my analytics that you guys really like this type of video, and I'm so happy about it. I picked out this lilac color. As you can see, I've really been into lilac lately, and I realized that I definitely need more nail polishes that have this beautiful shade of lilac purple than I do. But for now I'm working with what I have, and I absolutely love this shade. It's by OPI. I will write in the description box below the shade of nail polish that I'm using. I always write that, so check it out in the description box below. I really hope you guys enjoy me talking to you, because I definitely love this. Let's spread some positivity and trust the good vibes to come back to us, because negativity is so boring, it's so toxic, and it took me a long time to come to this step that I'm currently in. But I think that I'm on my way, and I cannot wait to bring more videos to you and to bring more people around my channel, and that we can all concentrate and have this awesome vibe about us, because that, my friends, is a true magic. I'm gonna go now, and I will talk with you in my other video. Bye.